Hello, my name is Kaylee, and this is what I feel are some of the interesting aspects of being a nurse. Here you will discover some of the interesting facts in the nursing field, and I will tell you about the technologies nurses utilize to communicate with other employees and departments, how positive attitude helps being a nurse, and what it means to have a positive attitude, as well as what communication skills you need in the nursing field. I will also explain the type of degrees you can get in nursing. A number of technologies are used in hospitals for communication between employees. And nurses use a variety of technologies between one another. One of the phone systems used is called Cisco. Nurses telecommunicate with other departments such as radiology department where the x-rays are processed. For example, if you need additional supplies for a patient, they would use telecommunication used between employees. Pages are rarely utilized in this day and age with the advanced technology, but some doctors and nurses still use them. Nowadays, computers are implanted to input patient information and doctor's notes and nurses' notes. Computers are one of your main ways of communication because they have instant messaging and also they have email. Now, those may take longer than a pager or your typical face-to-face communication, but they are used in hospital settings. Face-to-face communication is best communication. I feel you have in the hospital with doctors and nurses. That's also next to the patient pagers that are used between nurses and doctors. If something is needed right away, you use the pagers, and the face-to-face communication will be the best communication. But with technology nowadays, everything is changing all the time and updating within the hospital setting also. There are 3 different types of nursing degrees you can have. One of them are Associate's Degree in Nursing, which is a 2-year degree obtained from a community college or a vocational school. Having an associate's degree is the minimum requirement to become a nurse. But more than half the employees are requiring a bachelor's degree for many people who want to work for them as an RN, also known as a registered nurse. The next degree you can have is a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. The Bachelor's of Science in Nursing is required for many nursing careers. The BSN, also known as the Bachelor of Science of Nursing, is a 4-year degree from a university or college. Like other nursing degrees, a Bachelor of Science in Nursing combines classroom learning with hands-on training that they call clinicals, this allows you to have the first-hand experience working with real-life patients. The last degree is a Master's of Science degree. You have to have your bachelor's degree in nursing or related field in order to obtain your Master's of Science degree. A master's degree in nursing is required to become an advanced practice nurse. An advanced practice nurse, they have more clinical power rather than your typical RN. Master's degree is a 1 to 2 year for additional coursework that you can obtain while employed as a nurse. So yes, it does take a lot of work to become a nurse, but again, you have to realize you are dealing with people's lives. The key goal to positive communication in the nursing field is you need to demonstrate a positive attitude due to the instances dealing with sick or even terminally ill patients. In addition, to dealing with the ill patients, you also have to consult in their family who needs you for support, or they will need you for a shoulder to cry on. As a nurse, you keep your composure. You stay positive as possible regardless of the patient's situation or regardless with what the patient has said to you, whether it is a negative about yourself or those stating you don't know how to do your job. You have to keep your mind that you are there to help the patient and make sure that they are okay and that their family is okay. Not just anyone can become a nurse. This is the type of jobs where it's something you have to have the passion for. You have to also want to help others. And this is the type of job where this changes every day and you walk into work not knowing what can happen, and you have to be ready for just absolutely anything.